All right, problem 16 from worksheet number 7 of chapter 3. Which of the following is equivalent to, we've got the quantity of 1 minus the fraction 1 over x, and that whole entire thing is raised to the negative first power. It says, show the work that leads to your conclusion. All right, so if I wanted to take this here, I know that I have this is raised to the negative first power. So something's going to have to end up being flipped. But before we do that, because we have a binomial in here, let's try to combine this and make this into one fraction. So what we've got here is 1 minus 1 over x, and the whole thing is going to be raised to the negative first power. But before we deal with that there, let's just look at this 1 minus 1 over x. If I wanted to combine this and make it one fraction, right, I need to have a common denominator. So in this case here, I'd have to multiply the 1 by an x over x. So when we do that there, I have x over x minus 1 over x, which if we combine that as one fraction, that's going to state x minus 1 over an x. Now this whole thing is still being raised to the negative first power, but this is going to help us now that we have a fraction and it's being raised to a negative exponent. We know that we can take the reciprocal of the base. Couldn't do that when there were two different terms in here, but now we can. So our answer should end up being x over x minus 1. And that you will see here is answer choice C. If you have questions at all, please make sure you mark them down, bring them to class, and we'll look at them then. Thanks.